Hello everyone, it's Natasha from Treasure Books. Welcome to a 20-minute scrap bust episode where I pull things out of my junk drawer. I've already done that. And I create something. So, setting the timer on and let's get started. This time I'm thinking I want to scrunch this up. Just using some of that box filler packaging. And as usual, I have no idea how this is going to go, but I'm hoping it's going to be looking good. Alrighty, my canvas is ready and now I'm going to scavenge. Scavenge away. Put things away that I'm not going to use this time around. I definitely want to use this. Maybe not today. Oh, I definitely want to use this. Yes. Get just a few pieces out to start with. This here is a large puzzle piece from when my kids were little, well, when my son was little. And when you can't donate it, then you use it. And in fact, I have a whole video on using puzzle pieces. I'm going to link that down below if you want to have a look. Using a bit of vellum here, scrunched up vellum, and just placing things randomly. We shall see how this is going to go and what I'm trying to achieve. No thinking yet. Or at all, preferably. I might go to my sewing machine at this point. Definitely not striving for pretty just yet. Back to the sewing machine. Thinking. Sewing machine calling. Alrighty. Oh, I forgot about this piece. A little tag from a purchase. In fact, I have another whole video of altering these clothing tags. All right, took that to the sewing machine and I want this in here, just in there. What are we making? What are we making? I don't know, but I'm gonna glue this down. Glue it down. And now what shall we do? Am I making a pocket or am I making a belly band? What am I doing? I think I'm making a belly band for this. Oh, yep. What was that? That was a bit of excitement. That's what that was. Or nerves, I don't know. Because I only have about 5 minutes left. Make this a bigger hole. When I'm doing these sessions by myself, I don't mind going over time. But when I'm filming, I feel like cheating if I go over time. So I don't know how I'm feeling about this whole filming process, but it's just so much better to do crafting in company, is it not? Is it not? I think so. I don't have anything fun here that maybe I can do this. The natural flights of the human mind are not from pleasure to pleasure, but from hope to hope. Okay, well, let's go with that. What's this? Yeah, let's go with this side. Samuel Johnson. No, it's Samuel Johnson. It's a bit too big for my belly band over here, but you know, I don't have time to mess around. Is this inspiring? Watching this process? Should I keep going with this? You have to let me know in the comments because I just need to know. I need to know. Oh yes. All right, I'm gonna go back to the sewing machine now. I mainly went back to the sewing machine so I can sew these pieces down. I didn't cut any of the string off, and is it is it possible that I'm done and it hasn't yet been 20 minutes? Oh, well, there we have it. 20 minutes. I can relax now. I can chill. Maybe I can give it a few more. Let's get closer. What do we think? You know what? It's missing something, and I know exactly what it's missing. And this is what it's missing. Okay, I'm gonna go and sew some stuff. I'll be right back. And here it is. I cheated and went over the 20-minute mark, and I'm quite fine with that because I'm quite happy with this outcome. And now this can go together with all the others. I have so many. This is the last video that I did, loved it. And this one I did by my lonesome self. I'm pretty sure I didn't film this one. Just a bit of this and a bit of that. You see, pocket, 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 and fun, fun, fun. I did another one of those tags, clothing tags. And anyway, I'm quite happy with how this one is looking. Let me know what you think. Comments down below. And do you want me to continue with this? Please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.